Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious green pasta sauce. First, you will gather all your fresh ingredients. Next, prepare your herbs and aromatics with care. Then, blend everything to achieve a smooth, creamy consistency. Finally, adjust the seasoning to ensure your sauce tastes absolutely perfect. This simple process will yield a fantastic, flavorful sauce for your pasta. Let's get our ingredients ready. Begin by thoroughly washing and drying about 2 cups of fresh basil and 1 cup of parsley. Next, peel and roughly chop 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. Measure out 1/4 cup of pine nuts and 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Lastly, ensure you have approximately 1/2 cup of good quality extra virgin olive oil on hand. Now, let's blend our sauce to perfection. Place the washed herbs, chopped garlic, and pine nuts into a food processor. Add the Parmesan cheese and a generous pinch of salt. With the processor running, slowly drizzle in the olive oil through the feed tube. Continue to process until the mixture transforms into a smooth, creamy, and vibrant green sauce. To finish your delicious green sauce, taste it and adjust the seasoning with more salt or pepper if needed. For a perfect consistency, add a splash of the hot pasta water to the sauce. Immediately toss the sauce with your freshly cooked, hot pasta. Serve right away, perhaps garnished with a little extra Parmesan cheese or a few fresh basil leaves for a beautiful presentation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.